Very interesting. Broke, barely holding, broke all the way across. So the customer brought this truck in and it had a pad mounted on here and one here, one there, one there. That's the only bed stand that is not damaged. It had a 5/8 bolt in this strap, which I'll show you the bed. The wheels were broke. It had a 1/2 inch bolt here through the bracket on that CM bed. It was pulled up tight on the passenger side and had a 1/2 inch gap here. But it had another strap here, 5/8 bolt there, and a broken 1/2 inch bolt here, and a 3/8 bolt right here that I have no idea how it was still holding. And that was all holding that bed on, was what was still holding on that one strap here and no bolt there. So on the bed, we've got that strap on the passenger side where it was pulled up tight, and you had that 3/8 bolt through here and the back of the frame that was still holding. They had cut notches there for those puck pockets to straddle it. And again there. And then had 2x4 quarter wall tube bolted to that bed stand that was still intact there. And I don't know what you call that. Kind of trashy looking in my opinion. But over here on the driver's side, where it was a 1/2 inch gap and the strap was all crooked, there was nothing left holding. It was broke completely off, the well was. And then the bolt had long been broken there, but was still in the frame, but broke off here. The 1/2 inch bolt. But like I said, as you can see, notches, a pad, and another pad with some scrap metal thrown in for a spacer. Not a very good bed install at all. Not a very good bed install at all. I'm surprised it didn't fall all the way off, and that's the reason the customer brought it to me, is because it was rubbing the tire on the truck. But folks that install them aren't much better than the folks that build them. Enough said.